So today I have the key to the 2025 Toyota Crown, and I'm going to take a moment to showcase how to swap out the battery in your key fob should it go bad. So grab your Toyota Crown key fob, flip it on its back, you see Toyota Crown written there. Locate this little switch with an arrow, and you're going to be sliding it in the direction of the arrow. Releases a manual key. Now normally, you probably toss that to the side, but you can see it's kind of got a bezeled edge. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that key to actually unlock the clamshell part of the key. So in the center, directly in the center of the two clamshell pieces, you're going to slide your manual key in there like that. And then you're going to twist up or down, your preference, but you're basically going to be splitting this plastic key into two pieces, which will reveal kind of a circuit board in the center, and one of the sides of the circuit board will have the battery. So there you go, gently I've split it in two. And you can see the clamshell is best if you do it this way. So basically leave the buttons down, because then the battery will be on the top. Now you can see it is a CR2450 battery. I'll leave a link in the description on how to get the cheapest battery on Amazon. It does not have to be a Panasonic battery. You can, as long as it's CR2450, it will work. This is a brand new battery. I do not have to pop this out, but if you need to, you can use the bezeled edge right here and just flick it out anywhere. It doesn't really matter. You can't damage this battery because you're replacing it anyway. When you put the new battery in, I recommend you do not touch the side opposite the writing, because your oils will kind of diminish the life of the battery, and you'll be needing to do this a lot faster than you should. So pretend I swapped the battery out, put it back in, then you're gonna just basically clamshell everything back together. I always joke, try not to push the red button to freak out yourself or your neighbors if you're doing this, in your house, or in your garage, driveway, or anything like that, because you'll probably scare yourself by pushing the hold button, or scare your neighbors. Put the manual key back in. You hear click, and you are good to go. You do not need to code the key to the vehicle or anything like that. The car will know you just swapped your battery out. So if a dealer tells you something like that, they're just trying to get you for 1 hour of labor just to swap out a battery in your key. Some dealers will do this for free. If you got a deal like that, that's great, but don't allow a dealer to charge you to do this. You can do this at home. And remember, just look in the description for the batteries that are basically the cheapest you can get. Thanks for watching.